Hi students, today I want to show you how to move your reflection, your week 2 reflection into your About Me folder of the ePortfolio. So from the main screen you go to classwork and you scroll down on the right hand side and you click ePortfolios. Once you've clicked your ePortfolio, you're going to click on your name there. And so I'm going to just take this one here. Okay, so now I can see that this student has something to be uploaded, my weekly learning reflection, week 2. So this needs to go into the About Me folder. So take your 2 fingers, take your left finger and click it down on the bottom left-hand corner of that touchpad on your keyboard and hold it there. And you can see that lights up, and then take your right finger and move it, just grab that weekly reflection and your right finger will move it up into the About Me folder. Then you just lift up and then it asks you to move it. And I can double check by clicking on the About Me to see that it's in there. And look, I can see that it's in there. Then I go back and I click on my name and I need to go to inventory sheets, double click on the picture. And at the bottom, I want to go to the All About Me folder. And this is too big, so I'm going to click on the down arrow and go to maybe 75%. Okay, so I see that they added their name. And I can just click here on this box. I can click on any box. See, when I click on the box, it lights up. That means I can write in there. So I want to click on this box and delete whatever was there. And the title is it's going to be called Week 2 Reflection. And the date is April 21st, 2021. Okay, so now I want to go back. So I'm going to just X up here at the top, tab on the top. And I can see that I am back here at the main page. Now I can, if I want to go back to the classroom, I just X out of the inventory sheet and I can go back into my classroom. So that is how you will upload your week 2 reflection into your ePortfolio.